San Angelo NOTAMs, he's caution moderate bird activity. Runway 3 ILS out of service. Taxiway Echo closed. Taxiway Alpha south of runway 927 closed. Use caution, work in progress along taxiway Bravo with displaced center line. Advise contact estimation Echo. Mathis estimation Echo, time 1551 Zulu. Wind 190 at 10, visibility 10, sky condition clear. Temperature 32, dew point.
Mathis ground, Skylane 882 Sierra Papa.
882 Sierra Papa, Mathis ground. Confirm information Echo, say request.
Calling with information Echo. I'm at Skylane Aviation, ready to taxi. Be departing to the west. 2 Sierra Papa.
2 Sierra Papa, roger. Runway 18, taxi taxiway Bravo, cross 927.
Roger, cross 927, taxi Bravo to 18, 2 Sierra Papa.
00 Bravo, wind 180 at 9, runway 18, cleared option. Number 2 Sierra Papa, if you're ready for departure, contact me on tower frequency 118.3.
Tower frequency 118.3, 2 Sierra Papa. Mathis Tower, 882 Sierra Papa, ready for departure.
2 Sierra Papa, Mathis Tower, wind 170 at 11, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 2 Sierra Papa. Belt fastened, doors shut, window shut.
We're good to go. You're doing 10 degree flaps?
Yes, sir.
Just checking. Where we wanted to be, right? Upwind.
Yep.
Tower 00 Bravo, midfield.
November 00 Bravo, wind 17012, runway 18, cleared option.
Runway 18, cleared option 00 Bravo.
I never even saw you dump your flaps.
Yep.
November 2 Sierra Papa, no observed traffic to the south, blocking VFR, free change approved, good day.
Free change for good day. 2 Sierra Papa. San Angelo approach, Skylane 882 Sierra Papa.
Skylane 882 Sierra Papa, San Angelo approach.
Yes, I'd like to request flight following to Oscar Delta Oscar, Odessa Texas, please.
Sierra Papa, Roger. San Angelo altimeter 2978, standby.
That's kind of a nice way he said it, right?
Sierra Papa, squawk 5252, say altitude.
5252, altitude 4,500 to Sierra Papa. Take her up to 6,500.
Yes, sir. Sounds like a sweet spot.
5% of file discretion, maintain 4,000.
File discretion, we're going to continue down now, down to 4,000, bar 345. Number one check. As your approach, Tone 41, good morning. Requesting visual approach, 3 mile initial runway 1842 with a landing for 2, we got echo.
41, San Angelo approach, Roger, expected request, altimeter 297. Skylane 2 Sierra Papa, contact Fort Worth Center on 126.15.
126.15 to Sierra Papa, good day.
Con 2700 Fort Worth Center, squawk 0502. Midland altimeter is 2981.
Fort Worth Center, November 882 Sierra Papa.
882 Sierra Papa, go ahead.
Yep, on flight following to Oscar Delta Oscar, Odessa to Sierra Papa.
Roger, say your altitude.
6,500.
882 Sierra Papa, Roger. The Midland altimeter 2981.
2981. Good day.
2700 radar contact, about 25 miles southwest of Midland, altitude K-Total 1,900. Clear to Juliet Whiskey Golf S5, maintain fall 230. Helicopter 26028, you're out radar contact us over the Brownwood Vortex. Army 26028, I was just telling you I got your back in radar contact. You can contact Abilene approach 127.2. Okay, 2, what's your request and no answer today?
I'm a little surprised that you've hit those bugs on the windshield. You have lost your edge a little.
Okay, 2, I have your request.
All right. I would have flew around them before.
Absolutely. I've been a witness to that many times.
First, then IR 2128. Roger.
28 minutes out. Taking good time.
.51 mph ground speed.
I'm liking it.
Midland approach, 882 Sierra Papa, I'm good to stay on course here through Charlie, 2 Sierra Papa.
2 Sierra Papa, affirmative.
Cleared to stay on course. 20 Papa.
Sacramento 428 Whiskey Juliet.
428 Whiskey Juliet, midland approach.
We're over by Stanton, headed for Odessa 6500.
Whiskey Juliet, squawk 0226 and IDAT.
Road 661 Charlie Alpha, I've got Skylane in sight.
November 1 Charlie Alpha, frequency change here for about 2 miles.
Roger that, 661.
November 8 Whiskey Juliet, 0226, please.
Sorry about that.
November 8 Whiskey Juliet, radar contact 2 miles southeast of Stanton Airport, Midland altimeter is 2981. You said you're going to Air Park or Slaymar?
Slaymar.
November 8 Whiskey Juliet, roger, advise me on Slaymar site, ready for frequency.
We'll do it, thanks.
421, descend to maintain 5,000.
Maintain 5,000, Real Air 21.
You're in Charlie, sir. Yep. Through that going around. Well, that was a good radio call you made to verify.
Archer Learjet 218 Juliet with 5,200, climbing 7,000 on a heading of 090.
218 Juliet Lima, Midland departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 13,000. I'll go on course here in just a moment.
Alright, 13,000, 218 Juliet.
Boy, he's inside. Yes, sir.
For 2 Sierra Papa, traffic 11 o'clock and 2 miles southeastbound, altitude indicates 3,900.
2 miles southeast, looking for traffic. 2 Sierra Papa.
He's 2,900 feet below us, back over here.
Number 8 Juliet Lima, turn left to Rikiki.
Kiki 218 Juliet.
Skylane in sight. 2 Sierra Papa.
Number 2 Sierra Papa, roger, frequency change here for you in about 4 miles.
4 miles. 2 Sierra Papa.
Approach Skywest 801 Charlie, level 14,000.
Skywest 801 Charlie, Midland approach, radar descend to maintain 5,000, proceed direct 60 for the visual approach, runway 16 right.
Descend maintain 5,000 direct 6. Skywest 801 Charlie.
Number 2 Sierra Papa, remain your present squawk to landing, change to advisory, frequencies approved, good day.
Squawk to the ground, frequency change approved. Good day, 2 Sierra Papa.
Peak gust 17. Stability 10. High condition clear. Temperature 38 Celsius. 2.02. 2. Marks. Density altitude 6,400. Odessa Schleiermacher Field Airport, Odessa, Texas. Estimated weather observation 1721 Zulu. Wind 230 at 10. Peak gust 17.
Odessa Skylane, Skylane 882 Sierra Papa is 8 miles to the east, inbound for runway 20, Odessa Skylane.
I guess you're going to call this your left base for 20? Yep. You're the man.
Straight in for it, might as well use it.
Absolutely.
Odessa Skylane 882 Sierra Papa is 3 miles to the east. I'll be entering left base for runway 20, Odessa Skylane. Odessa Slamar, 2 Sierra Papa, turning final for 20, Odessa Slamar.
You're clear right, sir.
Odessa Slamar, 2 Sierra Papa, clear all runways, taxi over Deerhorn Aviation, Odessa Slamar.